All right, in this video we're going to construct a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So the words are perpendicular, which means forming a right angle, 90-degree measure. Perpendicular bisector, bi meaning to sect, to cut, literally to cut in half. So it's going to be a line or a ray or a segment that crosses line segment AB, intersecting it at its midpoint and forming a right angle, a 90-degree angle. So here are the steps. It's actually really fairly simple. Take your compass and place the compass at point A. Place the compass at point A. Now you're going to need to make sure you open your compass far enough, because if I don't open it far enough, you're going to find the two arcs that we're going to draw don't intersect. Okay, so you got to open them far enough. And the answer to how far is open it so that it is at least halfway across. More than halfway across. More than halfway across. Okay, now some people make a mark above and below. Some people make a single wide sweeping arc. I tend to make the wide sweeping arc. Okay, so make an arc from A and make a duplicate arc from B. Make sure you keep the arc the same. Keep the compass setting the same. If you change the compass setting, notice you will not be finding the middle anymore. Okay, so from A and B, using the same compass setting, same compass size, same radius if you'd like. You'll notice these two arcs intersect at 2 points. The intersection of two items designates a point. I'm going to label this point C and this point D. An intersection determines a point. 2 points can determine a line or a line segment. So now I'm going to take my straight edge and align it up on C and on D. C and on D, and I'm going to draw a line through C and D. Now the line goes forever, so I'm going to indicate such with arrows. They intersect at point E, and there's a couple of things I know. I'm not going to take the time to prove them. I know the measure of angle CEB is 90 degrees, because I know this is a right angle. Right angle. I also know that AE is congruent to EB. Segment AE is congruent to segment EB. Or that AE, the measure of AE, equals the measure of EB. And just a measure, we're not going to put a line segment above it. Measure of AE equals the measure of EB. Okay? And I can indicate such by drawing a little tick mark here. Okay? So that's how you construct the perpendicular bisector.